Is this lipstick moldy? A natural beauty. Such a gentle beauty. Your beauty is captivating. You rock that outfit. Your features are stunning. Absolutely flawless. Simply marvelous. You look so happy. You're such a doll. Incredibly good looking. You're heavenly. You are radiant. You have lovely eyes. Your style is impeccable. Look at that elegance. Perfectly composed. You are so elegant. You light up the room. Look at that elegance. You're absolutely gorgeous. An absolute dream. Simply marvelous. You look wonderful. Your makeup is perfect. You light up the room. Your style is impeccable. So magnetic. Truly delightful. You are radiant. You rock that outfit. Your hair looks amazing. A delightful person. Truly delightful. You're adorable. Perfectly composed. You're so angelic. You look so happy. A vision of grace. Pure loveliness. Your style is impeccable. Truly fascinating. Your face lights up. You rock that outfit. This look is simmering, about to come to a full boil. This is the creative energy I live for. This is going to exceed your expectations. I know it. This is going to be worth the wait. I'm so invested in this look. The foundation is set for greatness. I'm eagerly awaiting the moment I can hand you the mirror. The final spritz of setting spray, the moment of completion. I think this might be one of my favorite looks ever, and we're not even done. My hands are literally tingling with excitement. The foundation is set for greatness. I'm just so eager to blend this all out and see the result.
Oh no!
I'm thrilled with how this turned out. It's got a beautiful, painterly quality to it. It's like they're HD. I actually gasped. You have the most amazing bone structure. Hold on, let me just take this in. It's art. Your eyes are sparkling. It's perfect. I'm just so impressed with how you carry it. So real. It's so soft and romantic. Incredible! I love how this shadow brings out the gold flecks in your eyes. Your eyes are incredible. It has this beautiful, almost iridescent finish. A complete dream. I didn't realize your eyes were this green. The structure of your face is just a gift. You are the definition of radiant.